Those weight loss drugs that have been out of reach for many may soon be affordable even if you don't have insurance.
Well, that's because of a deal just signed between the White House and the pharmaceutical companies that will slash the cost that begins next year. Meg Fair's joining us now in studio with more. Meg.
So here's what we know. Here's why this is so important. Science has shown that obesity is not only a result of lifestyle, but a complex multi-organ system health condition involving metabolism. These injections help regulate hormones that may not work efficiently in some people. So here's what is expected to change. Out-of-pocket prices for semaglutide and tirzepatide, that's injections of Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, and Zepbound, will fall significantly from more than $1,000 to a few hundred or even lower, depending on your dose. Next, the deal means Medicare and Medicaid will cover this treatment for obesity for the first time. Later next year, some copays for Medicare and Medicaid recipients could be as low as $50. On some plans, it will be zero out of pocket. The plan is so new, it's unclear if you'll pick up the prescriptions from your pharmacy or go to the new proposed website called Trump RX and get it direct to consumer. Now, this deal will extend to the pill forms of the GLP-1 and GIP medications when they become FDA approved. This could help 30 to 40 million Medicare recipients, and the hope is commercial insurance will follow. Now, keep in mind that there are compounding pharmacies right here in our area that are selling the medications right now for weight loss if you have no insurance, and their cost is in the $200 to $300 range, depending on your dose. Louisiana has the fourth highest obesity rate in the U.S., nearly 40%. That drives all sorts of chronic diseases: type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart attacks, strokes, many cancers, and arthritis.
You just mentioned those chronic diseases. We're learning these drugs are about more than just weight.
Absolutely. These medications mimic a naturally produced hormone, and they affect a lot more than appetite and weight, as Katie just said. They improve heart health, cholesterol, insulin metabolism, and they may protect the brain, kidneys, and liver, help sleep apnea, and even protect against bone loss and dangerous whole body inflammation. Now, studies are also showing decreased alcohol cravings and intoxication.
You know, I think that's just beneficial to people either way. So I'm glad that it's able to get into a lot of people's hands a little easier.
About hormone imbalance.
All right, Meg, thank you.